7 million people in the United States are living with Alzheimer's disease. And with National Alzheimer's Disease Awareness Month wrapping up, KGW's Christine Pitawinch spoke with one Oregon man who takes every day as an opportunity to spread awareness.
For Daniel Gibbs and his wife Lois,
51 years. Yeah.
Decades of marriage have gone by like a blink of an eye.
That was the early 70s, and so we just got married. Yeah.
They've been through a lot. Gibbs spent his career helping people as a neurologist. He retired in 2013 and a couple years later was diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease, a brain disorder that slowly destroys memory and thinking skills.
That's become my new job.
Second career.
Second career, right, is education and research on Alzheimer's disease.
Dr. Gibbs and his wife just spoke at the Alzheimer's Association McGinty Conference on Alzheimer's and Aging. Gibbs, who is in the early stages of Alzheimer's, has written 2 books about it, one of which, A Tattoo on My Brain, became a documentary in 2022. It's been a journey.
In hindsight, my first symptom of Alzheimer's disease probably was in 2006 when I started to lose my sense of smell. And I started to have these smell hallucinations, the smell of baking bread combined with perfume.
Then came the DNA test, showing he had the gene that meant he'd likely get Alzheimer's disease. Now, almost 20 years since his first symptom, he easily loses his train of thought.
So I am just barely in Alzheimer's dementia now, last couple of years.
Oh, wow.
And I forgot what your...
But Lois
that was it.
Is there to help him remember.
I used to sit in the back row just to be there. Now I sit in the front row, or else I'm up with him if it's a panel conversation, because he often searches for words.
They know the end stages of Alzheimer's isn't pretty, but they say there's still time.
And I just would say, don't despair about a diagnosis, because there's still time.
Time to make choices about how to live life. What helps, Lois says, a good support network, and when you just can't find the words.
Humor definitely helps. Yeah.
That was Christine Pitawinch reporting. Dr. Gibbs gave 5 tips for staying healthy and potentially lowering your risk of Alzheimer's. Exercise is crucial, even if you're starting later in life. Getting adequate aerobic exercise makes a big difference in slowing down the progression of the disease. Number 2, eat healthy. Gibbs says people who ate a Mediterranean-style diet had lower incidence of Alzheimer's. Also, keep your brain active. Try reading and writing. Be sure to get your rest. Get at least 7.5 hours of sleep each night. And finally, take your heart health seriously. Gibbs said cardiovascular risk factors also happen to be risk factors for dementia and Alzheimer's disease.